Yo, what's going on YouTube? Carl Kicks back again with another video, a pair of my kicks. So, thank you all for showing love to the channel. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Share the videos so other people can see the content. Anyway, let's get into the video. No introduction needed. Everybody knows what we got here, and if you don't, we got the University Blue Low Top 11's. Dropped in 2017. Yes, sir. So originally, the 11's came out in 1995. And the first one he had was the white and black ones, the Concords with the 45 on the back. Okay? Just a little 11 history for you. So on these, we got the University Blues with the 23 on the back. These came out in 17. The Laser Stitch 23. Okay, you can feel that. Men's size 12. Not too much wear on these shoes. I've only worn these shoes one time, and you can see how dirty they got just from one time, but not bad. Is that a rock? We got a rock in there. We got the carbon fiber, the blue. You know, it's kind of light blue to match the sole of the shoe. Coordinates good with the Carolina blue. Not exactly the same color. We got so we already know what we got with the 11's. We got this writing on the tongue of the shoe, supposedly, from what I've heard, supposed to say Jordan Jumpman, if you can read it. So let me know if I'm correct about that or if I'm wrong about that. Let me know. And of course, we got the same thing on the other shoe. They say if you turn it vertically, you should be able to read it. Overall, dope shoe. I mean, from the front, you know, get a side view of the shoe, back view of the shoe, inside of the shoe. I mean, it's a dope shoe. I love the 11's. So, you know, I did a video on the Brady 11's. Now I got these, and I got one more to do for you guys on some 11's. Let's check out the inside of that tongue. So we already know what this says, and we got the, you know, the light blue Jordan sign. Quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. Then you can see we got the, you know, the elastic bands in there. That's how Will Smith was rocking his J's with no shoestrings, because of that right there. And again, I did say these came out in 17. So let's go ahead and make sure that is correct. Yeah, there we go. 17. So shoes are 3 years old. I've had them since 17. So I didn't keep the box for these because at that point in time I was just like, you know, I was living in an apartment. I'm like, we don't have a lot of room. Don't need the box. What do I need the box for? Blah, blah, blah. But in retrospect, I wish I would have kept the box. And from here on out, I won't get rid of any of my boxes. It just brings, it brings some value to the shoe. You know, you can keep them in there, kind of protect them. And if you ever do want to get rid of them, you got the OG box. It just makes it a lot better. So, yeah. So, you know, the 11's, we got the patent leather, obviously. These are the Carolina Blues. You know, we got leather here, and then we got, like, the material straps in between them. Hard shoe to keep clean, honestly. You know how I feel about white shoes. And that's why I don't wear these a lot. I haven't worn these a lot. Even here around the back part, just putting your foot, you know, suck in and out. Or just from sitting, because I've only wore these one time, just from sitting. You know, this is getting dirty. And I need to clean it. I'm going to put y'all on a big plug right now. And what I actually did to clean these shoes. Because the first time I wore them, I got a little, like a black stain on them from my driver pedal of my car. Was pissed. Let me see if I can even find where I got it. I cleaned it out pretty right there. So if you can see that little mark, it was way bigger, darker, deeper than that. Now, you know, now you might just see it because I pointed it out, but before you really probably wouldn't even have noticed that. But if you know what Zote is, Z-O-T-E, you can get it from Walmart for about 99 cents. It's a pink bar soap. that you clean whites with. It will clean anything white. If you're trying to get stains out of something, or you got a white shirt, you like, it's better than a Tide pen. You hand wash it, rinse it out. I'm telling you, it will get anything out. I actually cleaned that off with Zolta, and it works so good. So I need to do the backs of the shoe and do the shoelaces, but like I said, I don't really wear the shoe, so there it is. But Carolina University Blue 11's, dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think about the 11's. Would you cop these 11's? Do you already have these? Would you pass these up? Is this a hole for you guys? I don't know exactly when they're coming out with another pair, or how many they actually retro before this one is 17. So, or would you even mess with the low tops? Because a lot of people don't like the low top 11's. I honestly do not have a problem with the low tops 11. They look just as good as high tops. I will rock them. I rock both of them. So, it just depends on how you rocking them, what you wearing them with. But thank you all for watching the channel. Share the video, and we out of here.